Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix domain verification issues on Squarespace in 2026. So if your domain is stuck verifying, showing errors, or not connecting properly, don't worry, we'll fix it step by step. First, log into Squarespace and open your domain settings. Check whether your domain is listed as pending, failed, or disconnected. Next, go to your domain provider and check your DNS records. Make sure your CNAME and records exactly match the values provided by Squarespace. Now delete any old or conflicting DNS entries. Even one incorrect record can stop verification from working properly. After updating your DNS, you need to wait for propagation. This can take a few minutes or sometimes a few hours depending on your provider. Next, go back to Squarespace and refresh your domain connection. Sometimes it just needs a manual update to detect the changes. Now make sure SSL is enabled and your primary domain is set correctly. Misconfigured settings can block verification. And if it still doesn't work, contact Squarespace or your domain provider. They can check deeper DNS or account-level issues for you, and that's it. Most Squarespace domain verification issues come from DNS mistakes, propagation delays, or incorrect settings, and once you fix those, everything connects smoothly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.